everyone, I am here with a new video of Indian literature. Yes friends, today we will discuss Rabindranath Tagore, and in this video we will cover some important facts related to the life and literary works of Rabindranath Tagore, and also some important famous quotations written by Rabindranath Tagore. So without any delay, let's move on to the important facts of Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, here we will discuss first the important facts of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was Bengali writer and artist who was born on May 7th, 1861 in Calcutta and died there on August 7, 1941. This is the time duration of Rabindranath Tagore, who was Bengali writer and who was born in Calcutta at the time of India, which is now known as Kolkata, and born to a wealthy Brahmin family. He belongs to a wealthy Brahmin family. Move on to the next important fact. Rabindranath Tagore was the son of Debendranath Tagore, the person who played a great role in influencing the Bengali Renaissance. Yes, friends, he was the son of the Devendranath Tagore, who played a key role in influencing the Bengali Renaissance in Calcutta. Next important fact we have, he was Bengali poet, short story writer, song composer, playwright, essayist, painter who introduced new prose and verse forms into Bengali literature. Yes, friends, Rabindranath Tagore had implied his skills in every genre of literature. Like he was Bengali poet, he had written short stories, and he was also song composer. He was dramatist, essayist, and painter, and he introduced new prose verse in Bengali literature also. Next, we have Tagore is best known as a writer for his poetry, which was influenced by Sanskrit literature. Yes, friends, his रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर की जो पोइटिक क्वालिटीज थी, जो कंपोजिशन था, वो संस्कृत लिटरेचर से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड था। उन्होंने बहुत सी रिलीजियस थीम्स पे अपनी पोइट्री लिखी है, कंपोज की हैं, और देयर वाज अ काइंड ऑफ ब्लेंड ऑफ संस्कृत इन दी पोइट्री composition of Rabindranath Tagore. In 1913, he became the first non-European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. Yes, friends, this was very important fact related to the life of Rabindranath Tagore. He was the first non-European to receive Nobel Prize in the field of literature, and he received this prize in 1913, and he was the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize. Next we have Gitanjali or Song Offering, which was composed in 1910, was the poetry book for which he won the Nobel Prize. This was the work, पोइटिक वर्क ऑफ रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, गीतांजलि जिसे हम जानते हैं, उसका इंग्लिश जो वर्जन है दैट इज नोन एज सॉन्ग ऑफरिंग्स, जो कि 1910 में लिखी गई है. दिस वाज द सेम वर्क फॉर व्हिच he got the Nobel Prize. He won the Nobel Prize, and he was the non-European writer who became the first to receive Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore was known as Gurudev and the Bard of Bengal. Bard of Bengal के नेम से भी उनको जाना जाता है, and he is also known as Gurudev. That was the name of the Rabindranath Tagore, and also he is famous by the name of Bard of Bengal. On to the next fact of Rabindranath Tagore's life and his literary works, we have Tagore was awarded a knighthood in 1915 by the British government, but he repudiated it in 1919 as a protest against the Amritsar Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Yes friends, उन्हें नाइटहुड की उपाधि 1915 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू मिली थी रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर के, बट उन्होंने ये उपाधि वापस कर दी, इसको मानने से इनकार कर दिया इन द प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट दी अमृतसर जो जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड हुई थी उसके प्रोटेस्ट में उन्होंने ये उपाधि वापस लौटा दी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ही कंपोजेस सॉन्ग जनगण मन, द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ इंडिया. यस, हमारे राष्ट्रगान, जो हमारा राष्ट्रगान है जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है, दिस वाज composed by Rabindranath Tagore and it became the national anthem of India. Next we have he also his composition Amar Sunar Bangla. This was also a composition of Rabindranath Tagore. Was adopted as the national anthem of Bangladesh, and the national anthem of Sri Lanka was inspired by one of his work. This was the important fact related to रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर ने अमार सुनार बंगला जो एक पोइट्री थी पोएम थी उसको कंपोज किया है ये सॉन्ग को कंपोज किया है एंड later on it was adopted by the Bangladesh government as a national anthem of Bangladesh and one of his work was also adopted inspired by the Sri Lankans as a national anthem of Sri Lanka. Songs were viewed as a spiritual and mercurial. His elegant prose and magical poetry remains largely unknown outside Bengal. He is sometimes referred to as the Bard of Bengal. Yes, friend. His poetic songs were replete with spiritual and miraculous qualities. They have some kinds of religious theme, some kinds of theme that can soothe, that can make someone comfort. This was the poetic quality of Rabindranath Tagore. That's why he was referred by the name as the Bard of the Bengal in Indian literature. Next we have he was known for his poetry. Tagore wrote novels, essays, short stories, travelogues, dramas, and thousands of songs. Yes, friends, he was multi-talented person, and he has composed his poems, he has written novels, essays, short stories, also some memories related to travels, and also dramas, and also composes thousands of songs. And friends, later on in our next video or coming videos, we will discuss some important works of the Rabindranath Tagore, especially. Next, we have Rabindranath Tagore invested his Nobel Prize money in constructing the Vishwa Bharati School in Shantiniketan. The Vishwa Bharati means the communion of the world with India. Yes, friends, Vishwa Bharati School, which was located in Shantiniketan, this was constructed or this was founded by Rabindranath Tagore, and he invested all his money that he won in Nobel Prize. He made every money in constructing or in founding the विश्व भारती विश्व भारती का मतलब होता है दुनिया के अन्य देशों से भारत का कम्युनिकेशन जो है कम्युनियन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड विथ इंडिया लोग विश्व का भारत से कम्युनियन या संबंध या एक तरीके का संपर्क दैट इज कॉल्ड विश्व भारती and next we have the preface of Tagore's most acclaimed work, Gitanjali, was written by another greatest poet of the 20th century, W.B. Yeats. Yes, friends, W.B. Yeats has written the preface of Tagore's most important work, which won the Nobel Prize for Tagore, that was Gitanjali. W.B. Yeats, who was the 20th century poet, he he written the preface of Gitanjali, that was the work of the Rabindranath Tagore, and this was the same work which won the Nobel Prize for literature for Rabindranath Tagore. Now let's discuss some important and famous quotations of Rabindranath Tagore, which are very much inspiring for each and every community and every people of world. Let's discuss. We have the first: clouds comes floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or razor storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. This was the quotation line from Stray Birds by Rabindranath Tagore, and very inspiring and motivating lines of Rabindranath Tagore. Next important quotation of Rabindranath Tagore we have: if you cry because the sun has gone out of your life, your tears will prevent you from seeing the stars. Yes, friends, this is very meaningful line of Rabindranath Tagore. अगर वो बता रहे हैं कि if you cry because sun has gone, if something happened in your life and if you are disappointing, making tears or shedding tears, then you will not do anything good in your life further. That's why he has conveys his message through this line. Next we have: you cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. This is also very famous and most motivating line of रवीन्द्रनाथ टैगोर। आप समंदर के किनारे खड़े हो और उसको घूर रहे हो, इससे आप समुंदर कभी पार नहीं कर पाओगे। इफ यू आर wants to do something which are competing, or which we are something to face struggle in that, but you have to involve in that before, not to only stand there and wait for the something, but you have to involve yourself in that. Then you will see what kind of struggle you are going to face. So you cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. This is famous line by Rabindranath Tagore. Next we have, it is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. Yes, also very famous and motivating lines. Next we have, faith is the bird that feels the light and sings when the dawn is still dark. We have another famous quotation of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is free, is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. This is the famous line of Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. This line is taken from his work Poetic Creation, Gitanjali, where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free. वो इस ऐसे भारत की कल्पना कर रहे हैं, ऐसे उसकी कल्पना कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे किसी तरीके का भय ना हो, किसी और अपना इंसान, हर इंसान अपने गर्व सर को ऊंचा करके रखे, मतलब वो किसी तरीके का भेदभाव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ना हो। एंड वेयर नॉलेज इज फ्री मीन्स नॉलेज इज फ्री फॉर एवरीवन, the poorer and the uh, richer, they get, each and every one is equal. I want that country, that India. गीतांजलि में उन्होंने इस तरीके की बात कही है अपने पोयम में। Next we have, by plucking her petals, you do not gather the beauty of the flower. This is a very famous line of Rabindranath Tagore, and has been taken from his work Stray Birds. So friends, we have discussed few important quotation of, and which are very famous in of Rabindranath Tagore here, and there are many more quotation and which are very inspiring and famous, but later on we will discuss that things. So friends, this was all we had in today's video. We have discussed some important facts related to the life and literary works and his achievements in life in the field of literature of Rabindranath Tagore we have discussed here, and also some important famous quotation. Please friends, stay with English Zone. You will get more important videos of English literature and also word literature here on this channel, English Zone. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this.